Hi, welcome to Health Hub. This channel is purposely created for health education. Today we will be talking about cloves, and don't forget to like and share this video, and most importantly subscribe to our channel for more videos. If you have any suggestions, kindly put in the comment section and let's learn together. Thank you. 1. Cloves. 2. Uses of cloves. 3. Advantages of cloves. 4. Disadvantages of cloves. 5. Potential contraindications. Cloves are aromatic flower buds that come from the clove tree, Syzygium aromaticum. They have a strong, warm flavor and a distinctive aroma. Cloves are commonly used as a spice in cooking and have been used in traditional medicine for various purposes. Uses. 1. Culinary. Cloves are used to add flavor to a wide range of dishes, both sweet and savory. They're commonly found in curries, stews, baked goods, and beverages like mulled wine and chai tea. 2. Medicinal. Cloves contain compounds like eugenol, which has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. They have been used traditionally for their potential medicinal benefits, including aiding digestion and providing temporary relief from toothaches. Advantages. 1. Flavor. Cloves add a unique and rich flavor to dishes, enhancing their taste and aroma. 2. Antioxidant properties. The eugenol in cloves has been linked to potential antioxidant benefits, which may help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. 3. Digestive aid. Cloves have been used to alleviate digestive discomfort, such as gas and bloating, due to their carminative properties. 4. Topical use. Clove oil can be used topically for its potential analgesic, pain-relieving, and antiseptic properties. Disadvantages. 1. Strong flavor. The strong and potent flavor of cloves can easily overpower a dish if used excessively. 2. Allergies. Some individuals may be allergic to cloves, leading to allergic reactions like skin rashes, itching, or swelling. 3. Tooth sensitivity. While clove oil can provide temporary relief from toothaches, excessive use or direct application of clove oil to the gums can cause irritation and discomfort. Potential contraindications. 1. Pregnancy and breastfeeding. Pregnant and breastfeeding individuals should avoid consuming excessive amounts of cloves or clove supplements, as it could potentially have adverse effects. 2. Bleeding disorders. Cloves contain compounds that might slow blood clotting. Individuals with bleeding disorders or those taking blood-thinning medications should use cloves cautiously. 3. Surgery. Due to their potential impact on blood clotting, it's advisable to stop using clove supplements or clove-containing products at least 2 weeks before scheduled surgery. 4. Gastrointestinal disorders. Cloves might exacerbate gastrointestinal conditions like ulcers or acid reflux in some individuals. As with any dietary addition or medicinal use, it's important to use cloves in moderation and consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have pre-existing health conditions or are taking medications. If you're considering using cloves for specific health purposes, Seeking professional advice is crucial to ensure its safety and effectiveness for your individual circumstances.